Welcome back. For thousands of years, Eastern medicine has used extracts from plants, animals and minerals to heal a multitude of illnesses and injuries. And slowly they're becoming more popular here as an alternative to man-made medicines. And now it's been revealed the secret to pain relief could be growing in your garden. Rebecca Berg reports.
Millions of people all over the world claim to find peace and de-stress in the garden. But it's not a place you'd expect to literally find a fix for heart failure or relief from osteoarthritis.
It's really good as an anti-inflammatory, so it decreases pain.
And it comes from a rose plant.
So there's lots of little things it does, which when you all add them up together, you live longer and prevents, a critical thing called sudden death.
And that comes from a weed.
The herbalists have been using for years. It used to be part of, mainstream medicine, particularly in Germany. It's been very much a thing for heart health for centuries.
It's called hawthorn weed. It hails from Europe and in its pill form is helping thousands of Australians like Gordon Hedger.
I find that I've got more energy even when I come up to bowls. While I'm waiting for the bowls going to start, I'll go out and I might play 10 ends on my own. CardioMax
is readily available over the counter at pharmacies, and cardiologist Professor David Colhoun believes that combined with conventional therapies, it's got the potential to help millions of people with a multitude of heart conditions.
It's now been used in a trial in people with heart failure, which is a big problem, emerging problem in our elderly population. And giving this in addition to standard drug therapy, you get extra benefits.
Alex Thompson says it certainly put the pep back in his step after suffering from angina and surviving a triple bypass.
Well, I think I'd get a bit more energy, I suppose you'd call it.
There's been lots of small trials over the last 20 years. What this preparation hawthorn is, it's got many, many chemicals which mimic some of the drugs we use.
It may not mean the difference between life or death, but this plant's helping thousands find relief from osteoarthritis. Rosehip is the fruit of the rose plant. Europeans have been using it to treat joint pain, arthritis and rheumatism for generations.
After I started taking it, I went to the movies and found that I walked straight out of the theatre instead of hobbling up the stairs.
Now scientists agree it works.
Patients do report much fast improvements with the inflammatory component of arthritis. Swelling, inflammation, and as a consequence of that it helps increase joint mobility.
Why it works appears to be quite simple. Rosehip has long been known to be one of nature's richest sources of vitamin C, an effective anti-inflammatory. And scientific tests have shown the body absorbs the vitamin C in rosehip twice as effectively as synthetic vitamin C tablets. Dr. Keith Maitland has long been an advocate of the plant extract, having witnessed some major improvements in his patients' mobility after they started taking it.
I'm a clinician, so I tend to go on clinical results, but it certainly gives more oomph.
Got me better much quicker, and so now I actually take it regularly.
Debbie Fitzsummons is a convert. She works 3 jobs, is constantly on her feet and was suffering from aches and pains until she discovered the benefits of rosehip.
I have structural body problems from standing in high heels in shows and travelling in cars and things, and it helps that a lot as well.
Rosalind Tom could never take glucosamine for her arthritis because she's allergic to shellfish, one of the major ingredients. So she too turned to rosehip.
You always live in hope. And I thought, well, if it will work, it will work. Yes.
And it did.
And it did.
And we put more details on some of those products on our website. We'll be back soon.